Hey guys, in this video we are going to take a look at content aware fill and what does it do. So I'll teach you how to use content aware fill tool in this video. So quick up, open up Unsplash. Just don't close your browser while taking up my course, okay? You need to download a lot of images. Just open up Unsplash and I've downloaded these two images right here, this and this, okay? So let me open that for you. I'll click on open. Wait, I'll select this by pressing Ctrl and I'll select, wait, where is that one? What? Where is the other AirPods photo? I'm not get, what is this picture? Okay, I'll open up this one for now. Wait, let me search that file open. So yeah, I found it. It's right here above. And I'll open one more image. I think I'll open up this one right here. So I'll resize it by pressing Ctrl 0. Even this one, yep, it's resized right now. I'll just click the padlock icon and name it as background. Yep, unlock this and I'll even unlock this. Okay, now let me talk about the first image. Now just select your lasso tool, or you can do this with the rectangle marquee tool. Just press M. It has a shortcut. Just select this AirPods in this manner right here. Now the subject has been selected. You need to remove the two AirPods right there. Okay, now go to edit and there is an option called content aware fill. Just click on it. Okay, now look at the magic. Now you need to select some bits here. Wait, let it load. Just click on the plus icon and this has not been selected. Just select this right here and you can take a look at it. You can preview the image that the AirPods have been removed in the right side of this original image. Just click OK. See, now the AirPods has been removed from the image. Now if this selection if you want to remove this rectangle right here, there is a shortcut for it. Just remember it. Just press Ctrl D to deselect to deselect something which you have selected already. Now it's this easy to remove something. Just convert it into a smart object. You can even select this AirPods using the lasso tool right here. Let me do that. See, I'll just draw a line around it. Yeah, let me draw it in this manner. I'll select this both right here. Okay, now go to edit and content aware fill. No big deal, it's so easy to do. Let me zoom out. Hold Alt to zoom out. Okay, yeah, this is good. Wait, let me select some bits. Go to this tool right here, the brush tool, and click on plus icon and I'll increase the size up to this 800 is good. I'll select this so that the image, so that Photoshop detects it and works with it even better. See, you can take a look at it right here. See, the photo has been edited. Yeah, just press Ctrl D to deselect it. Yeah, there are many ways to do this. Even you can do this with I'll undo, edit, undo lasso. Yep, you can do this even with quick selection tool right here. Now if your caps lock is on, you will see the crosshair right here. You will see something like this. If your caps lock is off, you will see this tool right here. So just disable caps lock. See, you can take a look at this. Just remember this shortcut. Okay, never enable caps lock on. You can't see the circle thing. So just select AirPods right here. Wait, let me select it. Yeah, I think it's a pretty good select. Go to edit and content aware fill. You can do this. Yeah, but with this tool right here, it has a problem. You can take a look at it. How is this? It's not that good, right? So lasso tool and lasso tool plays a very important role, and rectangular marquee tool plays a very important role in quick selection in content aware fill. Okay, so just don't use quick selection. It does not work properly with it. It works but not in a proper manner. So press Ctrl tab to shift to another image. I'll hold this, I'll enable this rectangular marquee tool, and I'll just drag a box around it. I'll go to edit and content aware fill. It's doing the work though. Yep, see how good and sweet it is. Yep, even it has removed the shadow of the AirPods right here. Yeah, just press Ctrl D to deselect it. Do the same thing for this right here. I'll select this phone. Wait, I'll do it with the lasso tool. Select it, no big deal, just select it. Yep, now the phone has been selected. Just press Ctrl wait, shift, I think. Yeah, go to edit and wait, go to, there is even a shortcut for this. You can press with the layer selected right here in right here. You can just press shift backspace so that the shortcut open, this small menu gets opened up. Now go here under contents menu and just select for content aware right here. Okay, just click on OK. I think it should do its job. Let me try. I think it should work though. It's loading. Yep, you can take a look at it. It has done a pretty good job. Just deselect it, or let me undo deselect, edit, undo fill, edit, undo lasso. Now let me do it with the normal. Wait, I'll lock this layer. No, lasso tool. Yep, I'll select this, go to edit and oops, sorry, go to edit and content aware fill. It's let it load. Give Photoshop some time to load. Yeah, this is good. Yeah, this is good. Just click OK. So in this manner, Ctrl D to deselect. In this manner, you can remove some objects in a photo without messing the original photo or the background. Okay, I'll just select this and click on edit, content aware fill, and just remove this Google Pixel phone from the photo. I think you can even remove this whole laptop itself. Okay, try doing it. Just go straight up to unsplash and just pick an image from here, and you can just pick up this image and remove this controller parts through content aware fill. And I'll see you in the next video.